This 43-inch Android LED TV from VU comes with a Full HD resolution. This TV is also available in 40-inch Full HD and 32-inch HD-ready variant. With the Full HD resolution, you can see fine detailed textures with vivid colors and clarity. This VU Smart TV comes with an A+ grade and high brightness panel that provides accurate colors across a wide viewing angle. It also comes with MPEG noise reduction technology that improves the quality of pictures by reducing the block noise and mosquito noise without compromising the picture resolution. This TV gives you a wide viewing angle of 178 degrees. The recommended viewing distance for this TV is 6 to 12 feet. Enjoy smart and latest features with the Android Pie 9.0 operating system. This TV is equipped with dual-core Mali 470 graphics processor along with 1 GB RAM for fast and smooth performance. Download apps from the official Google Play Store to watch movies, TV shows and play games. With the built-in Chromecast feature, you can cast your phone's screen onto your TV easily. This VU TV comes with a wireless Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity that lets you connect your Bluetooth-enabled devices to your TV. The TV has 2 HDMI and 2 USB ports, allowing you to connect multiple devices like a set-top box, DVD player, gaming consoles, etc. Experience theater-like surround sound with the 24-watt Dolby speakers and DTS Studio sound. This TV comes with 1 tabletop stand, user manual, warranty card, remote control and power cable. The VU TV comes with a 1-year standard brand warranty. It comes with free installation and demo. You can avail EMI and exchange options. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.